What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would be removing these fuel lines off of this fuel pump right here. This is basically what this is. This is a fuel pump that I think pretty sure it came out of like a Jaguar car. There's multiple different ways that your fuel lines, which are these right here, actually connect to your fuel pump. I do have a video up showing how you would remove these fuel lines from different fuel pumps when they have like different connectors on them. This happens to be a little bit different than what normal connectors are on your fuel pump, so I figure I'll make a video showing you how to get this one off, because on most of them you're able to just remove your fuel lines by squeezing in. You see where this yellow part's at? You would squeeze that in and just pull it up pretty much, but on these it's kind of sunken in to the actual fuel line, so therefore it's hard for you to actually squeeze it out. And if you're trying to take like vice grips and pliers to get this off, it's going to take a minute, and you may actually damage your fuel line trying to get this off of this actual fuel pump. So what you're going to need to get this one off is actually like some fuel line puller pliers pretty much. You see how this has like a little bite in the front of it to where it clamps in the front. That way you could use it to get onto these top pieces. You can see how it's sunken in, and you need to basically get this around there, and then you'll be able to squeeze it and pull it off. I'm going to show you that now. Alright, if you can see right here, when I'm working on, I'm taking these right here, and also you can normally get these pretty cheap. I got these from like Harbor Freight. I think it was like $5.99 or something like that, but you'll be glad you have these just in case you run into a problem like this to where you're trying to get the fuel line off and it's super sunken in onto the actual connector that holds it onto your fuel pump. And like I said, you wouldn't want to damage this because you're probably going to be putting this back on to your new fuel pump if you have to change it out. So what all you got to do is when you get these pliers right here, you want to take it and put it on both sides. You can see like both sides of it have the part. You kind of want to pinch it. You may have to move it around some. Pinch the top part, and once you have that pretty much pinched, then you're just going to be basically, make sure I get a good grip on it. Then you're just going to wiggle it up pretty much like that. See how I pulled that up? Basically what I'm doing is, you can see right here, this is already kind of messed up where somebody was trying to take pliers and vice grips and all that to get it off of here. But all you basically going to be doing is just taking these, squeezing the top piece on both sides like that, and then squeezing at the top, and what it'll do is open up the mouth inside of her and allow you to remove this from off of your actual fuel pump itself. And you'll have two of these normally, so that was one. So the other one, you do the same thing to it. Take it. Sometimes you may have to adjust your line some to get a good angle on it. Turn around this way and come over top of it. So you would just want to take these, make sure you got it at the top of it. You don't want to damage it. Make sure you got a good connection. Then once you have it, squeeze it like that, and it should pop right off like that. Try and give you a good look on these. This has basically been damaged from, I think the guy was trying to use pliers and vice grips and trying to pinch it to get it up, but he just couldn't get it up. And that's when I told him he need to go ahead and get some fuel line puller pliers. And you'll see it like this. It has like this little grab on it, almost like a snapping turtle, kind of a mouth on it. It kind of sticks out, which allows you then to kind of grab and pinch at that top like that. That way you can pinch it and open it up in the bottom and pull it off of your fuel line. Alright, like I said, I also have another video up showing how to remove different type of fuel lines from off of a fuel pump, because I have like different connections that's on a lot of these fuel lines. So I'm gonna put a link up in the top so you can click on that one and also learn how to take off the other. I noticed 3 different ways of taking them off, 3 different type of connections that they make onto your fuel pump itself. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.